新幹線をご利用くださいましてありがとうございます。まもなく11番乗り場に7時45分発のぞみ78号東京行きが参ります。危ないですから黄色い点字ブロックまでお下がりください。自由席は1号車、2号車、3号車です。この列車は全席禁煙です。おタバコを吸われるお客様は喫煙ルームをご利用ください。この列車は16両編成です。この列車は途中新神戸、新大阪、京都、名古屋、新横浜、品川に停まります。
Welcome to the Shinkansen, the Super Express Nozomi 78, departing at 7:45, bound for Tokyo, is arriving at track 11. Please stay behind the yellow line on the platform. This train has 16 cars. Car 16 is at the front of the train, and Car 1 is at the rear. Cars 8, 9, and 10 are the green cars for passengers holding green car seat reservations. Cars 1, 2, and 3 are for passengers without seat reservations. Please refrain from smoking in the train, including areas at either end of the cars. This train will be stopping at Shin Kobe, Shin Osaka, Kyoto, Nagoya, Shin Yokohama, and Shinagawa before arriving at Tokyo Terminal. Thank you.